Do tell. Bubble official when it calls ruckus show. Public official when it comes to ruckus havoc. Public official thinks that this little fiefdom, they could cause havoc. Public official at the counter causing havoc. Public official in their own square like a fiefdom, acting like a judge, judging the people walking up here. How may I help you when it goes sideways? Public official calling bullies that's disorderly, coming for a complaint with no emergency, calling officer low-key on his cell phone behind the closed walls and behind the closed doors. Public official even put it in a report further. Trustee lost trust from his own council members that they think that they lords, but really sitting on the desk supposed to serve. Supposed to be honorability is the key word, but they breaking the public trust, they cracking it in half. A lot of folks don't give a care about what they do, they only wanna go for the pay cuts in the end. Look at the world, it's half burning up. Here on that side and that side, it's all biblical. But the man, he thinks he's greedy for himself, so he can come and take more money from the weak ones. They preying on the weak ones on a daily basis. The folks is consenting and they don't give a care, chef. It's like a feathers in their face. Magic is illusion that they stuck in the matrix. But what am I vision in a movie? Or by definition, we gotta get with the program. Get into it and start realizing this is simple, basic stuff that I'm here. This is tether. Like an internet connection, tether. Like communication being, man. And as soon as I said that, feather, the fucking OBS flashed. But the knowledge and the info available, they wanna withhold all that from the people. They see it simply, so they cut it all simply. They shadow ban cause they don't want the message spread simply. A lot of folks is like an assembly on the app line, and you got it in the job done.